Say go.
Can you say hi?
Hi. Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm playing construction site.
You're playing construction site?
Yeah. This is the excavator, and this is the mix.
Okay, one at a
This
time.
is a mix truck, and this is a ladder truck, and this is a dump truck.
Okay, can you tell us one more time?
Yeah.
Pick it up and show us.
This is a mint truck, and this is a excavator, and this is a ladder truck, and this is a dump truck.
Wow, you sure do know your stuff.
This is the excavator.
What does the excavator do?
They dig holes. They dig holes.
Dig holes? What about another one? Show me what the cement truck does.
Oh, and the drum moves.
Oh, it moves, it spins?
Yeah. And this is a ladder truck. It's construction ladder truck.
Construction ladder truck. Wow.
It sees people. The top of the buildings.
Oh,
This is a dump truck. Look,
what does a dump truck do?
and the excavator comes and dig holes and put it in here. And I delivery it.
Can you fill it up with rocks?
Yeah.
And now it can go dump them somewhere, huh?
Okay. Here. This is the dome.
Woo! All right.
Bring them over here. I'm gonna bring them over here. Bring them over here. Oh,
Which one is your favorite?
this one.
And what's it called?
A dump truck.
And that's your favorite one?
Yeah. Excavator. Excavator. Excavator.
Can you tell us what you're doing?
I'm taking rocks,
For your construction site?
but I need more.
You need more rocks?
Yeah. This is a pile.
What are you going to be building?
I'm gonna build a mountain.
A mountain. Wow.
That's a lot. It is.
There it is.